Faisal Siddiqui, Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, I think Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, I think there is a very serious question of interpretation involved, or understanding, the way I like to put it, that what is a political party for purposes of this allocation?
Yes.
Because you see, for example, the word elect is used in this.
Yes.
That has a certain meaning elsewhere in the Constitution, and a rather peculiar meaning here. Because, for example, the word elect implies an election going to the whatever is the electorate, the public at large, the electorate at large for National Assembly, Provincial Assembly, indirect election, the provincial assemblies for Senate. Then you have that article which says all elections under the Constitution shall be by secret ballot, right? So that implies, because the one rule of interpretation is that when a word is used at different places in the Constitution or even a statute, the presumption that it has the same meaning. But the word election has a certain connotation. But as used here in para D, there is in fact no election.
Yes.
There is just a selection.
Yes.
Yet it is regarded as an election within the meaning of this clause.
Yes.
The reason why I say this is that from this it follows that the word elect, as used here, has a certain peculiar meaning.
Yes.
Not necessarily in the same terms as used elsewhere, where it is recognized or used in another way. Going to an electorate, going to the polls, contesting an election, right? Here there is no such thing.
Yes.
So if one word, the question to you is this, if one word, and it's a key word in para D, can be used and has been used apparently in a certain specific and special manner, why not political party? We know, for example, if I may give an example from company law, that in company law, the basic rule is a company is a separate legal entity as opposed to its shareholder, right? So a company has to come before not the shareholder, but company law recognizes that there can be instances, there can be occasions where what is called piercing of the corporate veil, right? You forget the form, you look at the substantive reality. So therefore, the question I had asked you earlier also, that if prima facie, the word elect as used in this same paragraph can have its own special meaning within its four corners, why not a political party? Why not, in order to give effect to the positive aspect of this paragraph, why should the court or even the election commission for that matter be focused simply on the form? We just have Sunni Ittihad Council before us. No. Look at the substantive. Why Sunni Ittihad Council before us? Anyway, because of the substantive reality that, I think you mentioned it in your petition, candidates who fought an election representing themselves to be candidates of PTI, they were returned to office by the electorate on that basis. So rather than just taking a narrow pedantic view and saying, no, we just have Sunni Ittihad, that's what Election Commission has done.
Yes.
Why not look at the substantive reality? If the Election Commission is willing to accept the word election doesn't mean election, it means selection. Yeah. So I think let's perhaps look at the substantive reality. Would that not be more in consonance with the proper understanding of this?
I think it would be in terms of constitutional interpretation. But
that's where we
yes.
are. We are in the realm of constitutional interpretation. We cannot be bound by the explanation to Rule 94 of the election rules.
Yes. I think that's the problem. Explanation to Rule 94 is the problem.
How can Election Commission, I mean, it can't even go against the parent statute in rule-making power. Yes. It can go against the...
That's the problem, that explanation in Rule 94, which says...
Forward to, where's the Council for Election Commission? Thank you. No, sit down. And of course, we always like your assistance. You give us very good assistance. Thank you.
So, as your lordship has rightly pointed out, the explanation says...
How long will you take?
सर
अभी तक शुरू
आज
नहीं, अब तो शुरू ही नहीं
नहीं हुआ आपके आर्ग्यूमेंट।
तो बता दीजिए ना, कभी अभी स्ट्रक्चर कहीं दुनिया में भी अदालत में टाइम होते हैं, अब हम रोक नहीं रहे हैं, सिर्फ पूछ रहे हैं कितना वक्त आप लेंगे, 1 घंटा 2 घंटा 4 घंटे, जो आप कैंप करेंगे अकोमोडेट करेंगे।
2 to 3 hours बस।
ठीक है
जी। And I'll file certain documents जो आपने
अब synopsis
मर्जी,
फाइल
आप
कर
जो
दीजिए
मर्जी
जरा।
फाइल करें, जो
अपने
मर्जी ना
रिटन
फाइल
आर्ग्यूमेंट फाइल कर दीजिए, फुल कोर्ट में बड़ा मुश्किल होता है रिटन आर्ग्यूमेंट फाइल कर।
सर मैं कोशिश करूंगा, मैं बिल्कुल फाइल कर दूं, मैं कोशिश करूंगा एज शॉर्ट एज पॉसिबल कर दूं।
रिटन आर्गुमेंट से पहले जब आप आर्ग्यू खत्म कर लेंगे, फिर सवाल उठेंगे ना
जी, जी, जी।
कि आपके प्रोपोजिशन को चैलेंज किया जाएगा या एक्सेप्ट किया जाएगा, सवाल तो उठेंगे ना। अगर मैं आपके प्रोपोजिशन को सुन लूं, अभी तक मैं वहां पहुंचा
सर
नहीं।
मैं 1-2 फैक्ट्स बता दूं और
आप
फिर मैं
जितने
सवाल
मर्जी
फ्रेम कर देता हूं, देन आई लेट।
आप जितने मर्जी फैक्ट्स बताएं।
जी, एक मिनट।
जी,
सिर्फ मैं वही 168 पे था जिस पे आपने कलम उठाया था।
फिर वापस रख दीजिए।
नहीं नहीं, आप
15 मिनट गुजर गए।
सर खुश्क ना हो जाए, प्लीज उठा ले दोबारा।
मैं तो थक गया।
इतनी गर्मी पड़ रही है, खुशकी।
सर आप ये ना कहें कि आप थक गए, आप नहीं थकते और लोग थक सकते हैं।
बुढ़ापा आ गया है।
नहीं नहीं सर, 168 सर।
जी,
ये आप देखिएगा, लिखा हुआ है, इसका सब्जेक्ट है प्रोविजन ऑफ लिस्ट ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट रिटर्न कैंडिडेट्स इन द नेशनल असेंबली हु जॉइंड पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज एंड पार्टी पोजीशन। एंड देन ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज, this is 25th April 2024, and on that date even, when they had rejected our request for reserved seats, the Peshawar High Court had upheld the ECP decision. They issued this notification recognizing us as a party. They didn't even correct it at that stage, and they have never raised this objection. Now, let me just, I'll end today by simply formulating my propositions. Okay, sir?
I think this list is important to the extent that it's a ECP document which provides the names of the independent returned candidates,
Yes.
which is a requirement of Article 51, of which you're relying on. So by this document, it puts an end to any controversy, if at all there was, of joining
Yes.
and whether they were recognized
Yes.
as independent candidates, because for the purposes of the ECP,
Yes.
they were recognized as independent candidates and they had joined this one.
Yes,
So
yes.
now the question is, are they entitled to the
Yes.
reserved seats or not?
Yes.
इसके लिए अगर आप एक मरतबा 1 मिनट के लिए अगर आप 51D पढ़ लें, 6D, ये डिटरमाइन करेगा कि क्या आपको ये सीट्स मिल सकती
Yes.
है। ये असल बात है।
ये असल बात।
पढ़ लें।
अब इसीलिए
आप पढ़े तो
अच्छा,
इसको।
मैं पहले propositions formulate
पढ़ लें,
मैं पढ़ता
उसके मुताबिक
Then I'll formulate my proposition, then I'll end for today, sir.
पढ़ लें 60
Members to the seats reserved for women which are allocated to a province under clause 3 shall be elected in accordance with law through proportionate representation system of political parties lists of candidates. अब इस लफ्जों पे बड़ा critical है.
List
On the basis of total number of general seats secured by each.
यहाँ पर जाता है whether Sikh has secured any seat
Yes.
general election में।
Yes.
ये
मैं
असल बात है।
बहुत बताऊं. From the province concerned in the National Assembly, provided
what are
that
you reading from?
Sir, Article 51,
6D दोबारा पढ़ लें।
Finally we come to the
sub article G, Article 51, sub Article 6, paragraph D, provided that for the purposes
डी दोबारा पढ़ लीजिए, my lord, any there।
members to the seats reserved for women which are allocated to a province under clause 3 shall be elected in accordance with law through proportionate representation system of political parties, lists of candidates on the basis of total number of general seats secured.
दो चीजें यहाँ पे,
जी।
एक तो पार्टी लिस्ट पहले से होनी चाहिए
जी
इस आर्टिकल
नहीं, पहले से नहीं लिखा हुआ है.
पार्टीज तो फिर से
आप
ये नहीं लिखा हुआ है पहले से, कोई टाइमलाइन नहीं है.
आप अपने तरीके से पढ़ें।
दूसरी बात है सिक्योर्ड, इसका क्या मतलब है?
आप अपने तरीके से पढ़ें।
पहली बात है इलेक्ट।
जी, पहली बात है जी जी अलग.
जी, आप अपने तरीके से पढ़ें।
सिक्योर्ड
मैं ये
आप
मैं
इसको
पढ़ लूं
कैसे-
पूरा.
आप इसको कैसे पढ़ते हैं? आप
सर,
बताइए।
सर मैं एक दफा प्रोवाइजो पढ़ लूं फिर मैं
आप सब पढ़ें और आप अपना तरीके से तशरीह
On the basis of total number of general seats secured by each political party from the province concerned in the National Assembly, provided for the purposes of this paragraph, the total number of general seats won by a political party shall include the independent return candidates or candidates who may duly join such political party within 3 days of the publication in the official gazette or the names of the returned candidate.
अब आप इसको अपने तरीके से बताएं,
उर्दू में तर्जुमा भी कर
आप भी अपने तरीके से बताएं हमें।
Sir,
अब आप बताएं कैसे होता है, चलिए।
this is a system of proportionate representation which is list based. Now, there are
एक proportional representation system which is list based.
based.
ठीक।
Now, there are various kinds of, there is an open list, there is a closed list.
नो ये वाला
जी,
provision बताएं।
ये. Now,
ये ओपन है ना, पब्लिक को पता होना चाहिए।
ये open list है, ये open list.
ठीक है।
The critical thing is that usually if when I take your lordship's
नहीं,
proportion,
नहीं, आप पहले इसको तशरीह कर दें।
जी मैं तशरीह कर रहा हूं.
शिक की तशरीह कर दें
जी।
जैसा आपको सूट करता है।
This proportionate representation system is not based on what number of votes you got in parliament, got in election, or what. So it is usually a proportionate representation system is based on your percentage in election, then is proportionate to your seats given. This is not that. Here the reserve seats.
जी करेक्ट।
जनरल सीट सिक्योर्ड,
Yes.
आपने कितने सिक्योर की?
नहीं चले आगे बढ़ते हैं।
मैं वो इसी पे आ रहा हूँ.
आप अपनी तशरीह कीजिए। हाँ।
This is a proportionate representation system which is based on how many general seats you have in parliament.
You won.
No, it's not one.
Provide
It's not one. I will not treat it like that.
फैजल साहब आप अपनी तशरीह कर लें
जी.
पहले।
This does not require either that you win a seat or you even contest an election.
ठीक है, इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड।
जी, मैं उस पे 1 मिनट में आ रहा हूँ.
ठीक है, आप इन करने फिर इनको जवाब भी देंगे ना।
That is why the proviso is there. The proviso says that you can still be a political party in terms of meaning of Article 51 if independents have joined you. It doesn't matter. This is not a proportionate representation system based on whether you have contested the election or how much votes you have got in the election, which is a usual concept of a proportionate representation.
Independent will-
मैं आपको
हाँ, चलें,
जी,
चलें।
अब मैं आपको पास्ट में से दिखाऊंगा कि एक जमाने में 2002 में लॉ आया था जिसने रिजर्व सीट्स को कंडीशन कर दिया था टू कंटेस्टिंग इलेक्शंस एंड गेटिंग 5% ऑफ द वोट. दैट वाज रिपील्ड. आई विल कम टू दैट, बट नाउ आई विल एंड फॉर टुडे बाय formulating my proposition. Sir.
ये इस पे आपने नहीं बताया प्रोविजो में जनरल सीट वन बाय द पार्टी शेल इंक्लूड द इंडिपेंडेंट. तो ये इंडिपेंडेंट उन जीती हुई सीट्स में ये इंडिपेंडेंट शामिल होंगे.
ये
पहले सिक्योर,
फैसल साहब.
दूसरे इंडिपेंडेंट शामिल हो गए तो वो इजाफा हो गया।
नहीं सर, यहाँ पे इंक्लूड को 2 तरीके से पढ़ा जा सकता है.
प्रोविजो दोबारा पढ़ लेंगे.
हाँ, इंक्लूड को
बार
2.
पढ़ते हैं.
सर मैं फॉर्मुलेट कर लूं प्रोपोजिशन, उससे समझ में आ जाए.
एक दफा प्रोविजो पढ़ लेंगे.
Can I join your pleading request? Let him formulate the proposition.
उससे समझ में आ जाए.
ठीक है।
सर पहला जिस पे मैं आखिर में एड्रेस करूंगा, बट दिस इज द यूजुअल ऑब्जेक्शन व्हिच इज रेज्ड, इज वेदर द रिट पिटिशन बिफोर the Peshawar High Court was maintainable or not. I can preempt a number of objections which will be raised. So I'll address your
No,
lordship.
एक second, if you don't mind.
जी.
If they raise this, then address it.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
ठीक है? We will not deny you
Okay.
that right. So let's make some
Sir,
progress.
let me come to my first substantive.
जी.
Sir, I'll read whether the reserved seats for women
Whether, जी.
and non-Muslims could be allocated to a political party which had not contested the elections but was recognized as a political/parliamentary party by the ECP in the assemblies.
Factually, Sunni Ittihad Council did not contest election.
No, no.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes. That's the whole controversy, sir.
Okay. So allocated to political party, which, could you repeat? I didn't complete it.
Sir, whether the reserved seats for women and non-Muslims could be allocated to a political party